Yeah, everybody, this is Tom checking in. It is Sunday Funday. Yes. Hopefully I don't look douchey with these glasses on. I'll just do this. So yeah, we're on our way to Eagles Ridge. So I hope you all are doing great. Our car is loaded down. You probably can't see that by back there. We've got all kinds of light fixtures and all kinds of goodies. We've got our go bin right back there. We got our cooler right back there. Our go bin, you guys, if you're doing projects and stuff and you don't have any facilities, having a go bin is awesome because it's got all your utensils, some plates, napkins, fire starting stuff, all kinds of stuff is in there. It is a magical box. So hopefully you're doing well. We're in the little town of New Richmond right now. We're picking up a few things. We've got some friends coming out. Mariah and her family are coming out. Mariah, the energy healer. We had Mariah on the podcast. It was not the last podcast, but the podcast before. And so we're going to hang out with them today on the land, burn some stuff. Burn, baby, burn. So yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully everybody's doing great. It is a glorious day today. It's supposed to get up to 60 degrees up here in Wisconsin and Minnesota. So I'm going to set it right here. So then there, it's nice. And I'm not shaking. But it's going to be a glorious day. But I want to check in, say hello, and hopefully you're doing well. So depending where you're seeing this, if it's on MeWe, I haven't done this yet, but on Facebook groups, Small Scale Life Facebook group, I have put up a poll just asking about content, what y'all like, what you want to see, what do you want to see more of? I'm curious because I just want to know. And so make sure you vote on MeWe. Make sure you let me know beneath this when I post it up there. I'm just going to post it directly into the groups, and feel free to chat and put your comments below. So yeah, it's been a great weekend so far. Yesterday we went for a hike down along the Mississippi in the Fort Snelling State Park, and man, it was mud season out there. So I did bring my boots, and Jules brought hers. Eagles Ridge could be kind of muddy. It was melting like crazy on Wednesday, so I'm not expecting much snow left at all, and we're just gonna slop around and get dirty and burn some stuff, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Also got trail cam videos coming. We've got some friendly furry friends and feathery friends that have showed up on the trail cam. So I've got 3 weeks of that, and now I'm going to get a 4th week, and we should see some turkeys on this one, so it'll be good. Also coming up, got a 16-minute video walking you through the Eagles Ridge barn dominium project, showing you our house, what it's going to look like. And then I walked down by the ridge, and that was all taken on Wednesday. It's all loaded up and ready to go on the YouTubes. I just have to change the cover, and then I will publish this week. Let's see what else is coming up. Got a interview with Letty Lou from Liberty All Day blog in her little podcast there. We had a great conversation 2 weeks ago. That's going to get published. I'm going to be publishing some stuff on gardening. I know I'm not gardening till 2022 probably, but I'm going to be doing some small stuff, and we'll be posting up some gardening stuff too. So again, let me know what you guys want to hear and what you want to talk about. I would be very grateful for that, and it helps me help you. But it's a glorious day in the neighborhood. We're so happy to be over here in Wisconsin. Haven't seen any eagles yet, but I have seen one Polish Czech dude with some very white sidewalls. Woo, got a haircut yesterday. I look good. Yes, I do. So other than that, this is just a quick video, quick check-in video. Maybe I'll make another video or two today. Yes, I will. You know I will. I got my stuff. It'll be glorious. But yeah, I hope you have a great day today. Enjoy Sunday. Tomorrow it's back to the grind, back to producing stuff. Also, one more thing before I go. Sign up for the Small Scale Life newsletter if you haven't already. I'm going to start banging on that. I'm going to start using that a lot. So I'm going to be working on another free guide, and allow everybody to get all the free guides no matter what you sign up for, and just really opening that up for resources for people. So I got the seed starter guide, we got the financial freedom guide, and we've got the health and fitness renew you from 2019. We've got that up there. So check that out. If you want to wait a little bit, I will have it all available for you. It's all going to be on a Google Drive. In fact, with the health and fitness challenge, I was going to kind of turned everything into a guide. And then you get 24-hour plan plus the 7 days emails kind of all collated into a guide. So you can just grab that and go if you're interested in that kind of thing. All right, that's it. 5 minutes, probably longer than I should have, but that's the plan. All right, all. We'll see you later. Remember, learn, do, grow, be a little better every day. This is Tom from Small Scale Life. We'll see you real soon. Bye.